Alright guys, so it's been about 5 days since I've installed this unit. If you guys do watch my vlog videos, I've been rocking this unit for the last few days. Now this unit was sent to me from KlaiyiHair Hair Company, guys. Absolutely love this unit. So this unit was very simple. It's still the same exact install since I've installed it 5 days ago. So it is a middle part closure. You can actually turn the part to the side. They do have about a good amount of parting space on this unit, guys. It's not that bad for a closure unit. Obviously the size of this unit is all kind of capped up, but you'll get a nice amount of closure from here to here. So you can go ahead and do this one in a side part, but I opted just to do the middle part because sometimes I do like a nice clean middle part. This unit I did not color it. It actually comes off almost like a jet black color, but this is the natural color, guys. I did not put any dye on this one, but you guys know I love me a jet black middle part. So I am considering going in and dyeing this jet black. But guys, when I tell you guys this install was very, very simple, guys. It was a super easy install, and the unit has lasted on my head for quite a bit of days, so I'm really excited about that. The hair is very long, guys. It's about 22 inches long. The density, I'll insert everything in the video. I'm not sure on the density, but density, length, and everything is 100% excellent. I feel like this unit is definitely like a very simple unit, very stylish. Now it did come to me in a body wave form, but I wanted to straighten it out to see if it was going to give me like the bone straight look, and I can say bone straight, it is absolutely gorgeous. I did notice that it does give me like a little wave up. If I'm like sweating a little bit, you'll see like the back wave up a little bit. So therefore I feel like if I do wet this hair completely, it'll give me like a natural wave look, which I think is a good plus. Now the lace itself was very, very pretty, guys. I only added powder. I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. So the lace is pretty transparent, which I really like about this unit. So when I say take it out the pack and style it, you literally could do that with this wig. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, per usual, if you're interested in purchasing this closure unit from KlaiyiHair Hair. And another factor I want to say, if you're not into wearing frontals, closures can definitely make it look like you got a whole frontal on. So that's one thing I really like about closures now. And you guys notice I've been killing closure wigs lately just because it's really, really easy. So like I said, guys, I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.